So we just arrived to the beach. So today the waves should be a little bigger than yesterday, and we hope now that the cave we built yesterday is still empty and it's not the first in the water. So there's now a little bit of jump. We made some food, some tuna and some eggs, and then we did a nap, and now we are on the way to La Playa Paradiso, or what?
Paraíso.
Yeah, we just arrived to Playa Paradiso. So and there behind is Boca de Pascuales. So Pascuales. Sorry. That's crazy, but also the hotel, how this look. Yeah, it's crazy. As we walk just now through this town, and really it looks like it had their best time like 10 years ago. Just talking with the guy that is just walking there behind, selling the stuff, and it looks so different now, like before the storm. There was a huge beach here with many lines of umbrellas. I mean, now the water is directly in front of the houses. The name is still there, but the path and everything between is already quite destroyed. Here.
Well, since 2 years ago, there have been some storms and hurricanes.
Here also, again, this hotel. It really looks like there's everything left inside. It's really sad. I mean, yeah, I said this. We cannot recognize it again. Where are we now?
In the local market of Tecomán.
So it's now around 3 p.m. and we are leaving to explore. And now we walk in this direction.
I just want to say in the camera that I gifted this cap to Simon, and he has never wear it because he didn't like.
I will cut this out. So the waves are not too bad now. It's 3 p.m. and I mean, even when there's so much onshore wind, the water looks quite flat and nice. There's a cave. saw now everything we wanted to see. We return now to Boca de Pascuales. And there's a really weird guy on the beach. They're punching around with a knife. Well, now we still walk in the other direction, but on the street there are some stores and we want to buy some ice cream. So we just drink a coconut here. Now we just get out here and with some good stuff. It's the coolest dog I ever see. He's barking and chilling there on the roof.
It's the neighbor town of Pascuales and Real.
So we are now just still on the way back, but now we're just sitting here and enjoying sunset.
We are in the Malecón from El Real to Boca de Pascuales.
So now, unfortunately, this wonderful path ends here, so we have to jump off like well. And walk the last meters here on this sandy road.